How is it?
It's so funny. Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog. My name is Saint Caleb and this is my first episode. Today we are here at Cats for Thoughts. It's my first time having a haircut.
Are you ready to cut your hair? Not yet. What?
I'm crying there because I wasn't ready to cut my hair yet.
Ano po bang perfect first time na kasi?
My mom explained everything to me, so I agreed to cut my hair. But as you can see, I still feel sad. I'm going to miss my long hair, and my mom said she will miss it too. Right there, I'm starting to enjoy playing with McQueen.
Oh my God.
People keep on telling us that I look like a girl. But we are planning to donate my hair when it's super long already. But it's not gonna happen anymore. But it's okay. Few days ago, my eyes turned red. So we went to my pediatrician for checkup. She said I should cut my hair because it irritates my eyes. My mom thinks emotional. She said that I don't look like a baby anymore. She cried. It's okay, Mommy. I'm still Caleb.
Okay, so ayun na nga no, sinabi na ni Caleb sa inyo na kami ay nandito sa Cats for Thoughts sa Trinoma at kami ay nagpapagupit ng kanyang buhok at yes, this is his first time na magpagupit kaya ayan siya, nakikiliti-kiliti pa. And then, galing kami actually sa Capitol Medical Center kasi nagpa-check up siya at saka vaccine na rin niya. So, ang advice ni Doc Tia is siguro itali yung hair or i-cut na lang yung hair dahil nga nagkakaroon siya ng irritation sa mata kaya daw siguro namumula yung eyes niya. So, after doon sa Capitol, dumiretso agad kami dito sa Trinoma para magpagupit ng hair.
Who are you? I don't know you anymore. Who are you?
I look like a packet Dilophosaurus.
You look like what?
A packet Dilophosaurus.
What are you saying? What? Look.
I hear a dinosaur like that.
What?
A dinosaur like that.
Dapat ang gupit na gagawin sa kanya is bald. As in yung kalbo talaga para daw kumapal yung buhok. Okay, so dyan, habang sinishave yung buhok niya, sobrang mixed emotions yung nararamdaman natin, no? Kasi, ito na nga yung first time na gupitan siya, and alam mo yun, every time kasi na pinapaliguan ko siya, sobrang paborito kong shampoohan yung buhok niya. Unang-una kasi sobrang lambot, straight na straight, ganyan. Unlike sa buhok ko na kulot and matigas. So, yun. So, favorite kong shampoohin yung hair niya. Nakakaiyak pala siya talaga kapag ka first time. Ewan ko sa ibang mga mommies kung naiiyak din ba sila or naiyak ba sila. Pero ako kasi naiyak talaga ako dahil nga parang feeling ko ayan na yung last na ebidensya ng pagka-baby niya. Yung buhok niya na yan kasi sobrang virgin ng buhok niya na yan.
How is it?
It was so funny.
It feels so what?
So tickly.
It's so tickly. Do you like the way you look?
Yeah.
You look like a boy now.
How old are
Yeah.
you?
How old are you?
I'm 3.
Are you excited to see the final result?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be handsome?
Yeah.
Why aren't you crying?
Because I am still not scared.
You're not scared anymore?
Okay guys, ayan na yung kanyang final result. Malapit na. Ayan, I think finish na dyan. Piliin na natin ang baby at tayo ay magbabayad.
Let's pay first.
Ako ko nito.
I'm still Caleb.
Are you still Caleb?
La 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 la. Ayun ka.
Kaya, do you like it?
Subscribe! Thank you for watching!